So, dear students, let's start reading the next part. Open the page number 9, para number 6. As we have read, like Elf started doing his work. First of all, as he was doing English work, so he need the help of dictionary. So, what happened next? When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. So, what happened? Here is the word shrieked, which means gave a short, high pitched cry. Right? So, the elf knew nothing of maths. Right? All concept of maths were completely strange or odd things for him. The Patrick was unfortunate in this matter. So, what he said, just turn the page number 10. He said, and addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. I think you all have understood what the elf wanted to say. According to him, the elf explained that elves never needed mathematical concept like addition, subtraction, division, and fraction. So Patrick had to sit next to him to guide. He was asking help from Patrick. So even he didn't know anything of human history. It was another subject. So it was completely strange to him. Thus he screamed at him to visit the library. Library means a place where we get any kind of book. So get him more books and help him to read as well. So here the elf was asking for the help of Patrick, and he said that go to the library and bring the books and sit with me and solve the mathematical problems. Next, 7 number para. As a matter of fact, every day in every way that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? He was staying up night, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. So here you can see the meanings of words. Nag, one who troubles someone all the time by complaining of asking them to do something. Right? Drag, something dull and uninterested. So, what happened as the elf was disturbing Patrick again and again, and you can see the word weary, which means extreme tiredness, right? Blurry, which means looking dull because of tiredness. So actually that little creature means the elf, was either troubling, complaining, or asking Patrick to do something or the other all the time. So here nag refers to elf. Right? Patrick was not able to sleep and was awake for nights together so that he could help the elf for doing the work. He had never felt so tired before and was going to school with his dull looking eyes, puffed and dull looking eyes, because he was not sleeping at the night. He was always busy in doing the work. 8. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Right? The final day has come. Slyly means secretly. Okay, so finally it was the last day of the school and the elf had complete freedom to go as there was no more homework to do. The condition for doing work was of 35 days only, and the semester was over. So without speaking anything, in a secretive manner, he moved out from the back door. 9. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. So, everybody knows about what is the meaning of kid, right? A child, right? An attitude means a feeling about someone or something, and amazed means surprise. So, everybody knows about what he got. Patrick got his A's. right? So Patrick scored A grade. His classmates were surprised, amazed, means how he got it. Teachers were full of appreciation. They were appreciating Patrick, and parents were trying to know what made him so perfect. They were unable to understand, means what happened to Patrick, means how he got changes in his life. What had happened to him? He became an exemplary child. Model child is written over here, right? So sorry, model kid is written, means he now become an exemplary child, means everybody was giving the example of Patrick, who cleaned his room himself, did all his work, became a happy child who was never rude, and developed a complete new self and look. Now he has changed himself completely. Now he was a very obedient and yes, very good and disciplined child. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf, Patrick had done it himself. Alright, so here is the conclusion of the lesson, that I would like to say that it was not the elf but Patrick himself who did his work. The elf just propelled him to do everything. It was like elf was his own reflection to whom he was saying, because as you have observed in the lesson that Patrick went to bring the dictionary, went to the library, found the solutions of the maths questions. So it was like he was doing all the work by his own only, right? He was not sleeping at the night. He was going to the school with puffed eyes, means he had done the hard work by his own only, right? So there was no elf at all. It was the Patrick only who had done the homework.